heavier weights, right? And when you're going to be rigging up shrimp, you don't want to just go through the tail, especially with a frozen shrimp. You're gonna get your pants taken down, right? You're gonna lose the shrimp. It's just gonna be the tail end. So what we like to do is we like to pierce through here where it's rougher, and then pierce through here again, and spread this out on the J hook. Now you can also take that head off because it's gonna come off at some point, and throw that down on the end. It kind of clinches the bait down, and you got kind of a big tasty meal here. Now it's not the most effective way to display like a live shrimp. It's not going to be lively, but it's going to stay on, and that's your biggest battle, is keeping your bait on while your rigs are out waiting for a fish. Moving on to the finger-sized mullets. These can also be, you know, any smaller bait fish in that kind of 5 to 6 inch bait profile. You can do them a couple different ways. We don't want to just throw the whole thing on because it's frozen, it's dead. We want it to get smelling a little bit. So even if we're going to go a little bit bigger, let's say we throw the whole thing on here, I like to at least cut off the tail, right? And let's just use this 1/0 octopus hook. You can go right here through the eyes, and this is going to hold. It's got a good clearing, right? And you want to cut that tail because you want the blood and the gunk and the smell to be coming out of it, right? Super easy. Now what you can also do, and let's use the J hook for this, is you can get multiple pieces on here and really bunch it up. And this is great if you're kind of going for a shark or, you know, some sort of a larger species in that 3 to 4 foot range. Mullet's great for that.